What's up, YouTube? This is not Ryan. This is Risa. And I'm here because this is my truck. This is Heifer, my Mazda. We are getting her ready to head to Maggie Valley for Southeast All Truck Nationals. Got my ticket in the mail and I'm ready to go. But she's not. So basically what we have to do is everything. We've got to get rid of this rust right here. My engine is at a friend's shop and he's going through it, making sure everything's good with that. My drive shaft, we're getting ready to send it out to another shop because it needs some things done there. What else? Fuel lines, all that good stuff has to be run. My interior, she's not the prettiest you've ever seen, but one day I'll have her looking like I want her to look. Back here, we're not going to focus on too much before we head out. We're basically going to get my air manifold, all that good stuff installed, my fuel cell, my fuel lines, basic stuff to make a mini truck. So keep watching Ryan to see all the things he does, and I'm going to try to be hands-on with my truck.
Alright, you saw the wife's intro for this video. Mazda back in the shop. And we've separated the cab from the frame already. And we're going to try and get some, I'm going to start working on the cab. And this going, not sure how this is going to work or how well, if it will work at all. But we're going to try this vapor rust, however you want to call it. And I'm going to try and work on this. Seen a couple of videos out there about phosphoric acid, but I haven't been able to find it without having to order it off of Amazon or something like that. And nobody nearby has it, so really don't have much time to wait. Got to get going. You know, it's already what, the 15th of September, so I got 3.5 weeks. Let's see. No, it's the 16th. So we got roughly 3.5 weeks, and motor's not here. Transmission's not here. I dropped the drive shaft off yesterday, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Keep watching. it is Friday night. And midnight. Tomorrow is Saturday is mine and the wife's 10-year anniversary. So we are not doing anything tomorrow evening. And yeah. So no work here on the Mazda tomorrow. But take a look at what we got done tonight. Took a long time to do it. It's the reason why you didn't see a whole lot of footage from this. But yeah, check it out. We welded these holes up. That one there. All those holes got welded up. We worked on get more tacks put in on the wheel tub. Same over here, up there. Got some more tacks right here. Got some more out here. And yeah, same thing on the driver or passenger side. But started off making a transition from the wheel tub down to the core support. Originally, it was like the bottom of the wheel tub was just cut off straight. It just looked unfinished. I mean, it looked bad. I had to do something about that. So now, the wheel arch continues all the way down to the bottom. And now it looks like it's actually finished. Same way on the passenger side. Well, after we got those in there, got it looking at it, got it looking. The top of the fender on the passenger side was missing something. You know, originally it went up at the firewall and then had a little radius to it. And that was it. Didn't, you know, follow the curve of the seam there. So I had to do something about that too. It's not perfect, but we added in that part right there. Looks a lot better than what it did before. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Woo. A lot of work to do. A lot of work done. We got 3 weeks left. Less than 3 weeks. Because it needs to be on the trailer Thursday night. Ready to go. Wednesday night. So we can get down to Maggie Thursday morning. So yeah, I wanted to originally sheet metal the sides on there and there. I'm not going to have time. I've also got to order more material to be able to do that. And yeah, we're on a crunch. So if I get to it later on, I'll strip. I think we're going to do wrap liner under the hood. Not sure yet. May do a base clear black. But yeah, may go back, strip it later, and then sheet metal the sides. But as of right now, too much work to do, not enough time. And then after we get back from All Truck Nationals, I got a truck here ready to get finished up, being bagged. I've got some bumper brackets I need to get made for another truck. And then some LS headers showed up today to get V-band clamps welded on. So that's there too. So yeah, we're busy. Alright. Well, I'll see if we can catch anything on Sunday as far as footage goes. If so, we'll throw it in this video. If not, got a short one for you. Alright. If it is the end of the video, keep doing work. We'll catch you next time. And work on the project. It's Sunday night. I lied to y'all the other night. Said that that's probably gonna be the end of the video, but we got a little bit more. Hey man, I think you made a miss.
No way. Russ did. Blame phosphorus.
And let me tell y'all, this stuff stinks. Woo! So, phosphoric acid will get rust off. The heavier the rust, the longer you need to let it sit. We have learned that already. And all we did was just rinse it off. Where Jensen came up with this.
Window tinting.
Soapy water. And basically just used it to rinse off the phosphoric acid. I reckon we'll find out what it's going to do to the floor when it dries. Yeah. So, we'll let this stuff dry, and then I reckon break out some sanding tools and some wire wheels and try to get the rest of this all cleaned up. And when we do that, we'll set up the camera and let you guys watch that.